Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Today's reading is going to be different, Cancers, for those who are in a relationship. I am picking few cards, guys, and for those who are single, I'll be picking few more cards. So these are the cards for those who are in a connection, and these are the cards for those who are single. So we will start with the first set of cards, guys. We have Call, Messenger of Fire, and King of Earth. So for those who are in a connection, guys, today in this relationship, you are a strong spirited person, and this love, this connection is something like an adventure for you. So it is fulfilling your dreams, and it is fulfilling your heart. You are happy how things are going, and you have that confidence in this person that and trust on them, because in your heart of hearts you know that they love you deeply. That may be the reason for that trust and faith you have on this person, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are progressing towards marriage or a deep commitment with this person, and you know that that is the right thing to do today, guys, because you feel inspired, confident about this connection, about this person, and how things are going in your situation. So I see a positive energy with these cards, guys. For those who are in a connection, Cancers, you are planning to get married or get engaged to that person, and things are going in a very positive way for you. This person is greatly attracted to you. You have that harmony in this connection, and this may be your energy or their energy. You both share that mutual attraction, love, caring, and respect for each other. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for those who have chosen, for those who are in a connection, Cancers. So for those who are single, Two of Fire, Hermit, and Emperor. So for those who are single, today you are thinking about something, guys. So maybe you are thinking what you need to do today. Maybe some important decisions are to be made today, and you have that confidence that you will be able to make the right decision today, guys. So you are taking time. Maybe someone has come with a proposal, or someone has shown their interest for you, and they are wishing you to be part of their future. But you are thinking, you don't want to rush into some decisions. So you are thinking about the right thing to do today, guys. So this person has proposed to you, or you have proposed to them, but they are thinking or you are thinking. So that is what I see, guys. You are taking time maybe to plan what you need to do and what is the right thing to do today, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for those who are single. So that is the reading for today, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that, we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card. We will see what it is. It is Kyanite. That is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.